How you doing, everyone? On today's episode, we're going to be making homemade ice cream, but with five simple ingredients. 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk in the bowl. Okay, while this is going, I've got another pan inside of the freezer that's chilling. That's going to be for the whipped cream portion of this. Okay, so we get the sweetened condensed milk in. Couple of tablespoons of nice vanilla extract. I like vanilla, so a couple of good tablespoons is going to be very good. Bring out a lot of the sweetness. And just a pinch of sea salt. Just a little bit in there. It brings out the flavor in certain things. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start blending this together on low. Always start on low. Go for maybe a couple of minutes. When you're done, this is about how it would look. Okay, now we move over to the whipped cream part of this. Now, my bowl is extremely cold. It's been sitting in the freezer for several hours. Okay, you could probably keep it in there for maybe a half an hour or so, just to get it nice and cold. I'm also going to put in half a cup, that was 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, and my little friend vanilla again, a couple of tablespoons of that. And what we're going to do, this is going to whip for maybe about, I don't know, 5 minutes. I want stiff peaks. I want this heavy, okay? So we just start it up, start it on low, and we'll keep this going for another few minutes. And this is the consistency that you should have when you're all done. This is stiff peaks. We're going to go in with the condensed milk, sugar mixture. All right, this is all going in. And this is where you can diverge. You can put any kind of filling that you'd like. In this case, we're doing figs. So to put us in the mood here, I'm going with a nice big scoop of the fig jam that we made. Okay. All right. Now, once we get that mixed together, we've got all the fig jam in there as well. This goes into the bottom of a glass pan. This is going to go in the freezer for about 4 hours. I finish it with some coconut sugar, some pistachios, and just a touch of Szechuan peppercorn.
Wow, that's perfect.
How you?
That was a summer dish.
Good job. All right. Over and out, folks. Stay tuned for the next one. Catch you later. Have a good day.